Welcome to Quick Fix, a show where I answer your most commonly asked tech questions in 90 seconds or less. Today, we're getting glammed up for the gram. Instagram stories are so last season. The newest thing is Instagram Reels, which is here to take on TikTok for your attention. Here's how you use them. Open Instagram and swipe right on your home screen to access the in-app camera. Tap Reels at the bottom. From here, you can shoot a 15-second reel by tapping and holding the shutter. You can also add music and filters, slow down or speed up footage, align multiple clips, and set a timer. You can also add existing clips from your camera roll by tapping the image preview on the lower left of your screen. To share a reel, you have a few different options. You can post it as an Instagram story where all your friends can watch and it will disappear after 24 hours. Share it to the Explore feed for all of Instagram to watch, or share it to your feed so people can watch it later. Pro tip, once you start making reels and sharing them to your feed, there will be a new Reels section on your profile so people can go back and watch them whenever they want to. To discover reels from people you don't follow, tap on your Explore feed and voila, so many options. Instagram Reels is a little more challenging to figure out than TikTok, but once you start creating, you just might become the next Instagram influencer.